Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Guess this is a teenage cat. 'Cause, well, he stays in his room all day.
Nope.
Every orange cat is a feline version of Ariana Grande. She wants it, she has it. Cats can be normal every time, but before camera, that's a different story. Fun fact for you, without their fluffy fur, cats are actually supermodels.
Hey, give it back. Hey, stop. Give me my gym. Stop. Dude. Give me the gym. Give me the Slim Jim.
How does it feel like being trapped by your own foolishness every day? Ask them. Uh-oh. Looks like someone will get an F grade. And oops, he just escaped. If Flash raised a cat at his home, this must be it, as the fastest cat alive.
Bruh. So you're stuck.
I mean, the question should be, how can he be stuck there?
Who told you to get in there, Simon?
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Nope, that's cute. He's still a 10 out of 10. This is by far the most accurate comparison, no doubt.
Get in there. Sweetie, I think you're too big. I think you're too big.
The stupidest animal I've ever met. I love you, but oh my god, you're hot.
Hey you, I love you, darling. Bye. There are two types of tuxedo cat. If you can choose one, who will it be?
I don't think the dishes are clean anymore.
Like mother, like cat is not just a saying, it's a truth.
Alright, oh, we need to cut back on the calories. You are a fluffy cat, Cosmo.
Just all the animal lovers out there, the pet parents, or anyone who knows a lick about animals. This isn't normal, is it? Kittens don't normally sleep like this. We should call the vet, shouldn't we?
When you understand the cat you are raising too well, shame on you, kitty.
No! Daddy, no!
Staying still isn't cat style at all. This is what they are.
Oh, cool.
A cat can be anything but a football fan. Bro wants all the attention on him.
No!
Let me guess. Bro is testing whether the air is delicious or not. If you have something, make sure your cat has one also. It's not by chance that fish tanks have lid. It's quite effective.
What we have here is North American bobtail, long, not lean, short nose, tiny ears, pinched back, very scared. This is worst in show.
Что ты от меня хочешь?
Do you know what time it is? It's dinner time. Now that you know, hurry up. I'm lying here waiting. Its naturalness shows that it has done this many times before. Now it has become expert at making mess already. Thinking about something serious? Nah, Cat's problem is quite silly.
Nope.
That's quite a rude way to kiss someone, kitty. You deserve that rejection.
And she gave not even one.
People should actually consider taking the saying, cat is liquid, seriously. It's no different from a boxing match. Maybe they are even training for a competition.
The trick is to not let people know how weird you are until it's too late for them to back out.
Saying that the whole world is a bed for cats, it's not exaggerating. In a house with cats, there are like 10 Broadway shows happening daily.
Peanut, 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 no, peanut, no, peanut, peanut. Give me the chicken. Don't.
All the mice shall know his name, as now nowhere is safe anymore. Facing an orange cat with that calmness, Bro is sure not a normal cat. Wait until it watches the video and understands the situation. That'd be funny.
Yeah. 手欠儿，大碗。哎呀。
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.